Transform your garden into a sustainable oasis with water-wise solutions. No expertise required. Imagine a garden where lush greenery thrives, vibrant flowers bloom, and the sound of trickling water soothes the soul. Now, imagine achieving this while conserving one of our most precious resources. Water. Welcome to the world of sustainable watering, where simple techniques can make a world of difference for your garden and the environment. If you're excited to dive in, hit the like button and subscribe for more eco-friendly gardening tips. Hello, fellow gardeners, and welcome to EcoGrow Garden Tips. Alex Greenfield here, and I'm thrilled to share my passion for sustainable gardening with you. Sustainable watering is all about using water wisely to nurture our plants while minimizing waste and protecting our environment. It's about working with nature, not against it, to create a thriving garden that brings joy for years to come. Why should we care about sustainable watering? Well, for starters, it's essential for conserving our planet's precious water resources. By reducing water waste in our gardens, we contribute to a healthier environment for everyone. But the benefits don't stop there. Sustainable watering also leads to healthier, more resilient plants, reduces water bills, and minimizes the spread of diseases. One of my favorite sustainable watering methods is drip irrigation. This technique delivers water directly to the roots of your plants, minimizing evaporation and runoff. Drip irrigation systems consist of a network of tubes with small emitters that release water slowly and precisely where it's needed most. This targeted approach not only saves water, but also promotes healthier plant growth by preventing overwatering and soil compaction. Soaker hoses, gentle and effective. Another fantastic option for sustainable watering is soaker hoses. These hoses are designed to provide a consistent and gentle flow of water, ensuring that your plants receive the hydration they need without the risk of overwatering. These porous hoses are laid along your garden beds and slowly seep water into the soil, providing a gentle and even watering experience for your plants. This method is particularly beneficial for delicate plants that may be damaged by more forceful watering techniques. Soaker hoses are incredibly efficient, as they minimize evaporation and deliver water directly to the root zone. This targeted approach not only conserves water, but also ensures that your plants get the moisture they need right where they need it most. Plus, they're easy to install and use, making them a great choice for gardeners of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, soaker hoses can simplify your watering routine. Simply lay the hose along your garden beds, connect it to a water source, and let it do the work for you. With soaker hoses, you can enjoy a lush, healthy garden with minimal effort. Rainwater harvesting. Nature's gift. It's a simple yet effective way to make the most of what nature provides us freely. Why not harness the power of nature to water your garden? By collecting rainwater, you can ensure your plants get the best possible hydration. Rainwater harvesting is a brilliant way to collect and store rainwater for later use, reducing your reliance on municipal water sources. This method not only conserves water, but also helps in reducing your water bills. You can collect rainwater from your roof using gutters and downspouts, directing it into rain barrels or tanks for storage. This setup is easy to install and can be customized to fit any home. This free and sustainable water source is ideal for watering your plants, as it's naturally soft and free of chlorine and other chemicals that can be harmful to plant health. Rainwater is also slightly acidic, which can help in dissolving nutrients in the soil, making them more accessible to plants. Using rainwater can lead to healthier, more vibrant plants. Your garden will thrive, and you'll be doing your part to conserve precious water resources. Rainwater harvesting can also be a community effort. Sharing knowledge and resources with neighbors can lead to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly neighborhood. Involving children in rainwater harvesting can be a great educational experience. It teaches them the importance of conservation and the value of natural resources. So, embrace nature's gift. Start harvesting rainwater today and make a positive impact on your garden and the environment. Mulching is like a magic trick for your garden, helping to retain moisture in the soil and suppress weed growth. By applying a layer of organic mulch, such as wood chips, bark, or compost, around your plants, you create a protective barrier that reduces evaporation and keeps the soil cool and moist. Mulching also improves soil structure, adds nutrients, and provides a habitat for beneficial insects. In addition to these sustainable watering methods, there are several other strategies you can implement to ensure your garden remains lush and vibrant while conserving water. There are some simple yet effective practices you can adopt to further conserve water in your garden. By making small changes to your watering routine, you can make a big difference in water usage. Water your plants early in the morning or late in the evening, when temperatures are cooler and evaporation rates are lower. This ensures that more water reaches the roots rather than evaporating in the heat of the day. Use a watering can or a hose with a shut-off nozzle to avoid wasting water. These tools allow you to control the flow of water, ensuring that you only use what is necessary. And remember to water deeply and less frequently to encourage strong root growth. Deep watering helps plants develop a robust root system, making them more drought-resistant and healthier overall. Another effective technique is mulching. Applying a layer of mulch around your plants helps retain soil moisture, reduces evaporation, and keeps the soil temperature stable. Consider installing a rainwater harvesting system. Collecting and using rainwater for your garden is an excellent way to conserve water and reduce your reliance on municipal water supplies. Drip irrigation systems are also highly efficient. They deliver water directly to the plant roots, minimizing waste and ensuring that your plants get the moisture they need. By incorporating these smart watering practices, you can create a thriving garden that is both beautiful and sustainable. Your efforts will not only benefit your plants, but also contribute to water conservation and environmental health. By embracing sustainable watering practices, you'll not only enjoy a thriving, water-wise garden, but also contribute to a healthier planet. You'll conserve water, reduce your environmental footprint, and create a more sustainable future for generations to come. So, there you have it. Sustainable watering doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. By adopting these simple yet effective techniques, you can make a real difference in your garden and for the environment. See links in description for a list of recommended products to get you started on your sustainable watering journey. Let's all do our part to conserve water, nurture our plants, and create a more sustainable world, one garden at a time. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments which watering solution you're excited to try. Happy gardening!